Hi, good evening, everyone. This is Dr. Sparsh Gupta, your pathology educator at Cerebellum Academy. And I have the privilege and pleasure of having two wonderful people with me, as Govind sir always says. One is, of course, the legend himself, Dr. Govind Rai Garg, the pharmacology faculty at Cerebellum. And we have a very wonderful face with us, a smiling face and a very satisfied face, as I would call it, Dr. Harshita Mittal. And Harshita has made everybody proud by securing a wonderful rank of around 1755 in the recently concluded NEET PG exam. So many congratulations to you and your family, Harshita, on this stupendous result.
Good evening, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन हर्षिता।
Thank you so much, sir.
तुम पढ़ाई कर देखी है आपने?
Sir, it's just all thanks to Cerebellum faculty, without which I cannot imagine this result.
That's nice to know, and Harshita, we are very proud of you. Harshita, we will want that you can introduce yourself in more detail to our viewers, and also you tell about your preparation a little bit.
Yes. Sir, myself, Harshita Mittal. I have done my MBBS from Maharani Lakshmibai Medical College, Jhansi, and I basically started properly for my entrance examination during my internship. I was a premium 10 subscriber since the pre-launch offer. Then I started the mission schedules and BTR schedule religiously, sir. I just watched my all the mission live classes after my duties and then appear for ENDs and note down all the points which I forgot or which are additional points in a separate notebook and keep on revising, sir.
Great. And I think you forgot to tell that you were a topper during your university years also.
Yes, sir. So overall, I was my best of.
Okay, that's
Wonderful.
great.
Thank you, sir.
So Harshita, think in terms of a student who I would say he or she happens to be a aspiring student. He has got ambitions. He or she wishes to do well. Don't talk from a topper's mindset. What is the best thing that a person preparing for the NEET PG 2025 exam should be doing?
Sir, according to me, mission classes are just a booster to the rank and as well as your preparation. So live classes just made you follow a schedule and then they help in your preparation day by day. You
Okay.
appear for the classes, then you appear for the test. You know about your weak areas and your stronger areas. And then GTs, which are best, sir. The PYTs and the PYQ based tests are just amazing. They help me realizing where I am lacking and where I should build my concepts and or should where I have to rectify some facts.
Wonderful,
I
wonderful.
just want
So that's great, Harshita. That's great to know. So apart from the studies, I will because everyone talks about studies, but I will want to talk about other things. So during your live classes, were they entertaining or you just get bored? A teacher is speaking and you are just listening. And if you can remember a few good incidences during your live classes, we will love to hear.
Sir, live classes are always a fun. So especially your classes, your mnemonics like Ruby Dil Le Jayegi. Sir, these are all helpful in always are in all in exams.
Okay, Ashita, one more thing I always keep on saying to the students, there are three important pillars of preparation. One is your conceptual knowledge, which we are covering with the help of live classes. Second one is MCQ practice, and the third one is the grand test. Okay?
Yes,
So
sir.
you have already told about your preparation regarding the concepts through the lectures. So please tell about the other two parts. MCQ practice, how many MCQ you practice daily on a daily basis or on an average, and how many GTs you appeared and how you reviewed those GTs.
Sir, I usually like whichever subject class is going on. I attempt 50 to 100 MCQ by a custom module, sir, daily, and then appear for the test. In fact, in during the test, we also give the MCQ practice, in fact, and I give test during the live windows, sir. Whenever the test is live, I perform the test. And after the result is there, I first find out what are my incorrect questions and keep on noting in my notes so that I revise them along whenever I do revisions.
So, Harshita, particularly during the internship, do you think students do find it difficult to continue with the, a disciplined approach? So, do you think the live sessions, in that sense, that you are having a relevant idea that the classes are likely to start at a fixed time, let's say 5:30, does that help?
Yes, sir.
Matlab, to what extent is it helpful for an individual like you?
Sir, for me, it was helpful 100%
Okay,
because during our hectic duties, we often feel like चलो कल करेंगे, आज छोड़ देते हैं, आज बहुत थक गए.
right.
But the schedule make us to do like we have to do it. We have to follow religiously because अगर हम नहीं कर रहे तो हमसे आगे कोई निकल ही रहा है.
Okay.
We should have a approach कि हाँ कि रोज करना है. जो शेड्यूल है वो आप फॉलो करते रहिए रेगुलरली. तो सर ये हेल्पफुल है बहुत ज्यादा.
So as I was talking to one of the students during the interview, तो उसने भी मुझे यही बताया कि what we used to do around 5 years, 3 years ago, to even in 2 years ago, कि we need plan कि कैसे study करना है, then what we need to study, how to study, everything the student himself has to plan. ठीक है, but
जी सर.
now everything has been done by Cerebellum Academy and student
यस
only
सर, ऑफ
follow that.
कोर्स.
एंड प्लस लाइव क्लासेस में तो मजबूरी हो जाएगी ना कि भाई जितना भी थके हो करना ही पड़ेगा, डंडा
करना ही है.
लेके हैं कि अब क्लास करना ही पड़ेगा आपको, है ना?
जी सर.
तो मतलब एवरीवेयर इट इज प्रूव्ड कि डंडा ही काम आता है ना?
जी सर. सर हम तो बस सुन रहे हैं. आप तो सर इतने घंटे बोल रहे हैं सब टीचर्स. हमें तो बस सुनना है.
तो टीचर्स भी कोई एक्चुअली वी आर आल्सो एट ईज ना, क्योंकि घर पे तो हम बोल नहीं सकते, यहाँ पे हम बोलते रहते हैं.
अच्छा, हर्षिता, ये बताओ कि we had this concept of late night PYQ marathon.
यस सर.
How was your experience of solving the questions of the PYQ marathon?
सर आई एम अ अर्ली स्लीपर. सो आई यूजुअली वेट फॉर 10:30 शार्प. कि
Okay.
जैसे 10:30 हुआ एमसीक्यू सॉल्व स्टार्ट. सो फिर देखते थे सर क्या कितने गलत हुए कितना. फिर उसे सर मैं अपनी एक डायरी बना रखी थी. उसमें मैं जो भी मेरे क्वेश्चंस गलत होते थे मैं उनको नोट डाउन कर लेती थी.
Hmm.
और फिर मैं उनको रिवाइज कर लेती थी. क्योंकि उस सर ये नहीं कि बस क्वेश्चन उससे रिगार्डिंग जितना भी एक्सप्लेनेशन में पॉइंट्स होते थे. क्योंकि केवल वो आपको वो क्वेश्चन इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है. वो पूरे उस क्वेश्चन से रिलेटेड जितनी भी इंफॉर्मेशन है वो इम्पोर्टेंट है. तो सर दिस यू हेल्प मी इन माय एग्जामिनेशन.
Harshita, one
Okay.
more point. There were examination and discussions, E&Ds.
यस सर.
So, how helpful were the discussions? Because questions you already told that कि आपको practice करने को मिल जाता था. Did you attend the discussions? And if you attended, how much important were they?
Sir, discussions are always important. Like we get to know the right approach. मतलब सर हमने क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर लिया उसको हम बाय चांस बाय लक से बाय गेस वर्क से हम उसे सही कर सकते हैं. पर एग्जाम में जब तक हमें उसका कंसेप्ट नहीं पता होगा सर वी कैन नॉट अटेम्प्ट द रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस. सो ये
Right.
सर मुझे ईएनडी से ही पता लगा कि कैसे इस क्वेश्चन का क्या अप्रोच है. और टीचर सर साथ में उस क्वेश्चन से ये नहीं क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करते पूरा टॉपिक डिस्कस करते थे. तो सर ये बहुत इफेक्टिव था कि आप साथ साथ मल्टीपल रिविजन्स हो रहे थे आपके टॉपिक्स भी.
That's great. Guys, जो सुन रहे हैं प्लीज नोट कर लो इस बात को, बिकॉज आई हैव टॉक टू मेनी स्टूडेंट्स एंड दे से कि टेस्ट दे तो दिया, अब क्वेश्चंस गलत सही पता भी लग गए, तो अब डिस्कशन क्यों सुनना है? सो प्लीज कीप इन दिस इन माइंड while we you did the discussion. So what are the important things you come to know? One, obviously right and wrong you will come to know, but approach to question is very important. Many times you have made a question correctly without knowing that this should have been the approach. तो अगर सिमिलर सा क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में आ जाएगा, यू मे हैव मेड दैट रॉन्ग हैड यू नॉट अटेंडेड द डिस्कशन. एंड प्लस वट एवर क्वेश्चंस आर रॉन्ग यू विल कम टू नो दैट यू आर थिंकिंग इन दिस मैनर बट यू शुड हैव थॉट इन दिस मैनर. तो वो अगर मैनर आपको पता लग जाएगा, अप्रोच पता लग जाएगा, तो देर इज लाइकली दैट इन द एग्जाम यू विल मेक लेसर क्वेश्चंस रॉन्ग.
यस सर. सो इन फैक्ट इन माय शिफ्ट 2 द क्वेश्चन वाज लाइक दैट ओनली कि आपको बस वो पीवाई क्यों नहीं आएगा, आपको पीवाई आना चाहिए. इनफैक्ट सर first sir marathon classes was so helpful like neutrophilic infiltration questions and some biopsy question was directly from there.
Thank you,
So we
thank you
saved
for the
time.
kind words. तो ये actually it is, I would say, a proof of the fact कि आप लोगों ने उसको ध्यान से सुना. वो पढ़ाया तो सबको गया था, but
Sir.
again the point is a student who is actually a sincere student would have listened it, understood it, and then was able to attempt it correctly in the exam.
So one more point I will like to make it out. Harshita is from the evening session, I think, है ना?
Yes,
And
sir.
those who were saying के evening session से तो कोई topper आया ही नहीं. So I have already taken interview of around 10-12 of them. So that means ऐसा नहीं है. Evening session से भी toppers हैं और almost equally हैं. है ना?
Yes, sir.
So Harshita, deviating from the studies topic, apart from studies, what are your hobbies?
Sir, I like to paint.
Oh,
Okay.
wow.
Great, great.
So whenever I get free, I just draw and paint some paintings.
तो हर्षिता को देख के मुझे अपनी बेटी याद आ जाती है, वो भी जब चाहे मेरी पेंटिंग बना देती है, फिर मैं उसके साथ मजाक करता रहता हूँ. That's great, that's great.
बट उसकी उसकी पेंटिंग बहुत बेटर होती है सर. इट इज अनलाइक द पिक्चर दैट यू हैव ऑन योर आधार कार्ड. वो किसी को पहचान में ही नहीं आती वो, बट पेंटिंग्स ऑब्वियसली बहुत रेलेवेंट होती हैं. But that's a really good, I would say, hobby to have, Harshita. I mean, playing
Yes.
music, maybe singing a song, maybe indulging in some kind of a physical activity or exercise. I mean, all these things, play a very vital role in your overall development, because they happen to de-stress you, and they
Yes, sir.
help in de-stressing you subconsciously. So you are able to perform far, far better in comparison to what you're already doing.
Yes.
Yeah, one last question from my side, Harshita. Are you satisfied with your rank or were you expecting even better?
So I was expecting better, sir.
So
But it's
yes.
okay, sir.
So what were you expecting?
So I
Before
was
the exam and after
expecting,
the exam, both, please.
so after the exam, I just got tense कि कैसा गया है. मतलब सर उस टाइम पे ऐसा लग रहा था कि आपने गैस मारा है काफी क्वेश्चंस में, ये अब ये सही है नहीं है.
Hmm.
बट देन आई सॉ रिकॉर्ड्स,
Hmm.
तो लगा कि हाँ अच्छा गया है. सो आई वाज एक्सपेक्टिंग below 1000, sir.
So my advice to you is please do not stop studying. And because we never know, the counseling may take a long time and INSCT is held before the counseling is complete, maybe. So please
Sir.
give a good shot at INSCT in November, and maybe you will get MD medicine or whatever you want in AIMS or PJE only.
Yes, sir. We'll try.
Just keep studying.
And Harshita, please, can you just give a shout out to all the people from your college who happen to be your juniors? In fact, all people who are preparing for the NEET PG 2025 exam, anything specific you would like to tell them, counsel them, or advise them so that they can also be having an interview with us tomorrow? Tomorrow means the subsequent exam next year, as and when the results are declared.
Sir, the message to all my juniors are stay consistent, follow a schedule religiously, like mission classes, obviously. Sir, just do daily. रोज करो और वो चीज बार बार करो.
Wonderful.
The content is not more of specific, but you should revise what you have done again
I
and
think you
again.
forgot one very important advice, पूजा नहीं करवाना है.
Yes, sir, of course. कॉमा देखना है कहाँ पे है कहाँ पे नहीं है. पूजा नहीं होना चाहिए.
That's very good.
और हम उम्मीद कर सकते हैं कि सर झांसी की बहुत सारी, रानी तो फेमस थी, बट झांसी की बहुत सारी बेटियां और बहुत सारे पुरुष, तुम पीछे मत रह जाना लड़कों. तुम भी अगली बार जो है वो सेरिबेलम को ढंग से यूज करके ऐसे ही अपना और परिवार का नाम रोशन करोगे.
That's great. That's great. It was lovely interacting with you, Harshita. Heartiest congratulations to you and your parents.
Sir, same here, sir. I am just thankful to all the cerebellum faculties for my achievement. I'm just, sir, no words for this, without which this has not been possible, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
It's our
I think
pleasure.
that's
and we're
a
very proud of you.
that's the best gift that we get as a teacher or an educator, Harshita, that to see the smiling, happy, satisfied faces of your students, and of course, as an extension, their family members as well on all their achievements. So wish you a very, very wonderful professional and personal career ahead. Do
Thank
really
you,
well,
sir.
Harshita. God bless you, and we are always going to be there. Or please party दे देना जल्दी से.
Yes, sir,
Congratulations
sure.
and all the best.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations again, Harshita. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.